Welcome to part 2 of Safe Tires. In this video, we will look into who makes the best and maybe the safest tires for your vehicle. Trying to decide who makes the best tires can feel like a tough challenge. But in this presentation, we name the best tire makers on the planet. If they make the best, then they likely also make the safest. Please do comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. There are so many brands out there, each with their own strengths and features. This video will cut through the noise and guide you to the top tire manufacturers in the industry. From durability to performance, we've got all the bases covered. No longer will you be left wondering who makes the best tires. With our help, you'll be rolling along on top quality rubber in no time. So, let's dive in and explore these leading tire brands. Factors to consider when evaluating tire brands. When it comes to purchasing new tires for your vehicle, it's important to make an informed decision. With so many tire brands on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. However, by considering a few key factors, you can ensure that you make the best choice for your needs. Let's delve into the important aspects to evaluate when selecting a tire brand. Durability and longevity. One of the primary factors to consider when evaluating tire brands is their durability and longevity. After all, you want tires that will last and provide reliable performance over an extended period. Look for brands that are known for their superior construction and use of high-quality materials. Tires with a solid tread pattern and strong sidewalls tend to offer better durability, ensuring that they can withstand the rigors of daily driving. Traction and grip. Traction and grip are crucial for maintaining control and safety on the road, especially in adverse weather conditions. When evaluating tire brands, pay attention to their traction and grip capabilities. Look for tires that have a tread design optimized for excellent traction on both wet and dry surfaces. Features like sipping and grooves can enhance grip, allowing for better handling and shorter braking distances. Fuel efficiency. Another important factor to consider when choosing tire brands is fuel efficiency. Tires that offer low rolling resistance can contribute to improved fuel economy, helping you save money at the pump. Look for brands that prioritize fuel efficiency in their tire designs. These tires typically have a specific tread compound and tread pattern that reduce resistance, allowing your vehicle to glide more easily down the road. Noise level. Nobody wants a noisy ride, so considering the noise level of a tire brand is crucial. Look for tires that are designed to minimize road noise, ensuring a quieter and more comfortable driving experience. Brands that focus on noise reduction often incorporate innovative technologies and tread patterns that help dampen noise and vibrations, resulting in a quieter ride. Price. While price shouldn't be the sole deciding factor, it's important to consider your budget when evaluating tire brands. Tire prices can vary significantly, so it's essential to find a balance between quality and affordability. Look for brands that offer a range of options at different price points, allowing you to find a tire that fits your budget without compromising on important features. By considering these factors, durability and longevity, traction and grip, fuel efficiency, noise level, and price, you can make an informed decision when evaluating tire brands. Keep in mind that each factor plays a crucial role in determining the overall performance and value of the tires you choose. So, take the time to research and compare different brands to find the perfect fit for your vehicle and driving needs. Top tire brands in the market. When it comes to choosing the best tires for your vehicle, you want nothing but the top brands. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to make a decision. That's why we've compiled a list of some of the top tire brands in the market to help you make an informed choice. Read on to discover the key features and benefits of each of these renowned tire manufacturers. Michelin. Michelin is a name that needs no introduction. With a long-standing reputation for excellence, Michelin tires are known for their exceptional performance and durability. Whether you're driving on dry pavement or wet roads, Michelin tires offer excellent traction and handling. Additionally, their innovative tread designs ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, making them a popular choice among drivers worldwide. Goodyear. Goodyear is another well-established tire brand that has earned its place among the top competitors. Known for their cutting-edge technology and tire innovations, Goodyear tires provide excellent grip and stability in all weather conditions. From all-season tires to high-performance options, Goodyear offers a wide range of choices to suit various driving needs. Bridgestone. Bridgestone is a global leader in tire manufacturing, and their commitment to quality is evident in every product they produce. Bridgestone tires are designed to deliver superior performance, whether you're driving on highways or challenging terrains. With advanced features like enhanced traction and responsive handling, Bridgestone tires offer a smooth and safe driving experience. Continental. Continental is a brand that combines precision engineering with cutting-edge technology to create tires that excel in performance and safety. With a focus on innovation, Continental offers a range of tires designed to meet the demands of different vehicles and driving conditions. From all-season tires to specialized winter tires, Continental has a solution for every driver. Pirelli. Pirelli is synonymous with high-performance tires. Renowned for their exceptional grip and handling capabilities, Pirelli tires are the top choice for sports car enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for enhanced cornering abilities or superior braking performance, Pirelli has a tire that will exceed your expectations. Yokohama. Yokohama is a Japanese tire brand that has gained recognition for its reliable and long-lasting tires. With a focus on eco-friendly manufacturing processes, Yokohama tires offer low rolling resistance, contributing to fuel efficiency. Additionally, their innovative tread designs ensure excellent traction and stability, making them a popular choice for a wide range of vehicles. Dunlop. Dunlop is a brand that has been delivering high-quality tires for over a century. Known for their exceptional performance and durability, Dunlop tires are designed to withstand the demands of everyday driving. With features like enhanced grip and precise handling, Dunlop tires provide a safe and comfortable driving experience. Hankook. Hankook is a tire brand that has gained popularity for its excellent value for money. Combining affordability with performance, Hankook tires offer a reliable choice for drivers on a budget. With features like enhanced wet traction and durability, Hankook tires provide a balance between cost-effectiveness and quality. Firestone. Firestone is a trusted tire brand that has been around for over a century. With a focus on delivering reliable and durable tires, Firestone offers a range of options for various vehicles and driving conditions. From all-season tires to specialized offerings, Firestone tires are designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride. When it comes to finding the best tires for your vehicle, you can't go wrong with these top tire brands. Michelin, Goodyear, Bridgestone, Continental, Pirelli, Yokohama, Dunlop, Hankook, and Firestone have all established themselves as leaders in the market, offering a combination of performance, durability, and safety. Consider your specific driving needs and choose a tire brand that suits your requirements. Remember, investing in high-quality tires is essential for a smooth and safe driving experience. Expert opinions and reviews on tire brands. When it comes to buying the best tires for your vehicle, it's essential to consider expert opinions and reviews. These trusted sources can provide valuable insights into the performance, durability, and overall quality of different tire brands. To help you make an informed decision, we have compiled information from reputable sources such as Consumer Reports, Tire Rack, J.D. Power, and Car and Driver. Let's delve into what these experts have to say about various tire brands. Consumer Reports. Consumer Reports is a renowned organization that conducts unbiased testing and research on a wide range of products, including tires. Their evaluations are based on rigorous testing procedures, ensuring reliable and accurate results. Consumer Reports assesses tire brands for factors like tread life, wet and dry grip, noise levels, and fuel efficiency. According to their latest rankings, some top-performing tire brands include Michelin, Continental, Pirelli, and Goodyear. These brands consistently demonstrate excellent performance across different categories, making them a safe bet for consumers. Tire Rack. Tire Rack is an online retailer that specializes in tires and wheels. They also provide comprehensive tire reviews and customer feedback, making it a valuable resource for tire buyers. Tire Rack conducts real-world tests and gathers data from thousands of customer surveys to evaluate tire brands. Their findings indicate that brands like Michelin, Bridgestone, Continental, and Dunlop receive high ratings for their performance and reliability. These brands often offer a wide range of tire options to suit different driving styles and weather conditions. J.D. Power. J.D. Power is a renowned market research company that focuses on customer satisfaction. They conduct surveys and collect data from tire owners to assess various aspects such as tire wear, traction, ride comfort, and appearance. In their recent tire satisfaction study, J.D. Power identified Michelin, Continental, Pirelli, and Goodyear as some of the top-performing brands in terms of customer satisfaction. These brands not only excel in performance but also provide a positive ownership experience. Car and Driver. As a trusted automotive publication, Car and Driver regularly tests and reviews tires to help readers make informed decisions. Their evaluations involve assessing tire brands for performance in different driving conditions, including wet and dry roads, as well as comfort and noise levels. Based on their extensive testing, Car and Driver recommends brands like Michelin, Bridgestone, Continental, and Goodyear for their outstanding performance and reliability. These brands often deliver a balance of grip, handling, and longevity. Best tires for different vehicle types. When it comes to finding the best tires for your vehicle, it's important to consider the specific needs of different vehicle types. Whether you have a passenger car, SUV, crossover, or truck, having the right tires can greatly impact your driving experience. Let's explore the best tire options for each vehicle type, ensuring that you can make an informed decision when it's time to replace your tires. Passenger cars. Passenger cars are designed for everyday driving, providing comfort, efficiency, and a smooth ride. When selecting tires for your passenger car, there are a few key factors to consider. First and foremost, prioritize safety by choosing tires with excellent traction and braking capabilities. Look for tires with a high traction rating, as these will perform well in wet or slippery conditions. Additionally, consider fuel efficiency. Opting for low rolling resistance tires can help improve your car's fuel economy by reducing the effort required to move the tires forward. This means you'll save money on gas while also reducing your carbon footprint. Some top tire choices for passenger cars include 1. Michelin Defender T+H. These all-season tires offer excellent traction and durability, providing a smooth and quiet ride. 2. Continental Pure Contact LS. Designed for comfort and handling, these tires provide exceptional wet and dry performance, making them a great choice for passenger cars. 3. Bridgestone Turanza Quiet Track. With a focus on reducing road noise and enhancing comfort, these tires deliver a comfortable and quiet ride, perfect for long trips. SUVs and crossovers. SUVs and crossovers are known for their versatility and ability to handle various road conditions. When selecting tires for these vehicles, it's crucial to consider their intended use. Are you mainly driving on highways and city streets, or do you frequently venture off-road? For SUVs and crossovers primarily used on paved roads, all-season tires are a popular choice. Look for tires that offer a balance between comfort, traction, and handling. These tires should provide a smooth ride on highways while still being capable of handling light off-road conditions. If you frequently take your SUV or crossover off-road, consider all-terrain tires. These tires are designed to provide excellent traction on both paved roads and off-road terrains. They typically have a more aggressive tread pattern and are built to withstand the demands of rugged environments. Here are a few noteworthy tire options for SUVs and crossovers. 1. Goodyear Assurance Weather Ready. These all-season tires offer excellent traction in wet and snowy conditions, making them a great choice for SUV owners in regions with unpredictable weather. 2. Cooper Discoverer AT3. Designed for both on-road and off-road performance, these all-terrain tires provide reliable traction and durability in various conditions. 3. Pirelli Scorpion Verde All-Season Plus. These all-season tires deliver a comfortable and quiet ride for SUVs and crossovers, along with good fuel efficiency. Trucks and Pickup. Trucks and pickups are built to handle heavy loads and tough terrains. When selecting tires for these vehicles, it's essential to prioritize durability, traction, and towing capabilities. Look for tires that are specifically designed for trucks and pickups to ensure they can withstand the demands of heavy-duty use. All-terrain tires are a popular choice for trucks and pickups, as they offer a balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability. These tires feature a more aggressive tread pattern to provide traction on various surfaces, making them suitable for both work and recreational purposes. If you primarily use your truck for towing, consider tires with a higher load carrying capacity. These tires are designed to handle the additional weight and stress that comes with towing heavy trailers or hauling large loads. Here are a few tire recommendations for trucks and pickups. 1. BF Goodrich All-Terrain T/AKO2. These all-terrain tires are known for their excellent off-road performance and durability, making them a favorite among truck owners. 2. Falken Wild Peak AT3W. With its aggressive tread design and strong construction, these all-terrain tires provide reliable traction both on and off the road. 3. Toyo Open Country MT. Designed for extreme off-road conditions, these mud-terrain tires offer superior traction and durability, perfect for off-road enthusiasts and those who frequently encounter challenging terrains. Remember, selecting the best tires for your vehicle type involves considering your specific needs and preferences. Whether you drive a passenger car, SUV, crossover, or truck, there's a tire out there that will enhance your driving experience and keep you safe on the road. In conclusion, determining who makes the best tires is not a straightforward answer. The tire industry is highly competitive, with several reputable brands offering high-quality products. Factors such as performance, durability, and price all play a significant role in determining the best tire for different needs and preferences. It is essential to consider your specific requirements, driving conditions, and budget when choosing the right tire. Conducting thorough research, reading customer reviews, and seeking professional advice can help you make an informed decision. Remember, no single brand can claim to be the absolute best for everyone. It ultimately depends on individual preferences and priorities. Thank you for taking the time to watch both of these videos. Please do share, like, comment, and subscribe. Happy and safe tire shopping!